Good morning, Roadrunners, and thanks for tuning in to the WRRD News Show. Today is Wednesday, September 16th, 2020, and as we begin this day, please pause for 1 minute of silence. Thank you. Now, please stand and join me by placing your right hand over your heart as we recite the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
And thank you again. In Rolling Ridge News, please know that you can stop by the school sometime between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. today and every day to pick up your breakfast and your lunch. In other Rolling Ridge News, if you're interested in having the book bus visit you, please visit Miss Shea's Schoology webpage for more information there. All right, your weather for today. You've got another great day ahead of you here. A high of 78 degrees, mostly sunny, with a low of about 58. And guess what today is? Today is Workout Wednesday. And you know that Mr. Cummins loves to work out. Now, I'm not actually going to give you a real workout today, but I am going to give you something that maybe you could mix into your workouts a little bit, to just change them up a bit. And so I'm going to move my camera right down here so that you can see me. All right. Perfect. Now we're pretty low to the floor. Last year we did a lot of push-up plank and abdominal plank, all great for your core. And these are exercises that I did at home over the summer as well. I kind of used them as transitional exercises. I put them in between exercises, so I was always busy. Now, one of the things that I found over the summer was that I just kind of got bored with my planks a little bit, and I just didn't feel like I felt like I was still too much. And so I started adding some movement to my planks, and so I'm going to give you some of those ideas today. So whether you're in a push-up plank or an abdominal plank, you can do both this way, but I'm going to demonstrate this from the push-up plank position. You get into your push-up plank and you hold it here. Now remember that your hands are pretty much right underneath your shoulders, your back is straight. But instead of just holding this position, I started moving my hands around a little bit. So I started moving them off to the side and back, the side and back. And I could keep going with just one hand over and over. I can move these hands out in front of me and back, in front of me and back. Oh, you can really feel it hitting your core. You can also thread the needle. So I take one hand and I'll throw it right between here. Take my other hand, put it right through here. But I also have access to my feet as well. And so I can move my feet out to the sides. I can move my feet in. I can hold my legs in, great for my hip flexors. I can move my legs up, which is fantastic for your gluteals. So you've got lots of different ideas there that you can add to your workout. All right, I'm gonna move the camera back. Perfect. All right, so the question of the day comes from a student in Miss Gully's room, and the question is, what do you like to play with your friends? I like to run, and I like to exercise, so I happen to meet a lot of friends at starting lines of races where I just get to talk to them for hours on end, and we're always there to just kind of help each other just get to the finish line. And so hopefully you guys like to exercise with your friends as well. All right, as we finish this day, we're going to close out with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free, starts with me. We are champs. Ooh, ooh, we are family. We choose to spread positivity. Have a great day, Roadrunners.